Friends, Dr. Murphy on June 14th with a story about simplicity. Now, this is an essay from the New York Times 2 weeks ago. The photos are wonderful. The life lessons, I like that phrase. Words of wisdom, I like that phrase. It's a beautiful story. Life lessons from the summer of cicadas. Look at these photos. Trillions of bugs will descend on us. That might help us become better people. Yeah, nature, all animals help us become better people. Animals understand unconditional love and live it out. We humans have a hard time with that, right? So, wonderful story. And those people in Illinois who are hearing very loud things and having to deal with these messes, yeah, they might become better people.